Thank you for joining us for the third edition of the Simon Clarity Corner video series. My name is Joe Sayer and I'm the Associate Director of Recruitment here at the Simon Business School, and we have an exciting announcement today. We are announcing the start of our Simon Says presentation series. This series, created in conjunction with the Greater Rochester Chamber's Office of Future Leadership, is meant to provide Rochester young professionals and local young professionals with a little taste of the knowledge and information that the Simon Business School has to offer. We are going to be providing these series about every other month over the course of the next year. The first one is going to be by Professor Guy Ari, one of the professors here at the Simon Business School, and going to focus on developing a good business strategy. And when you leave, you'll walk away with 3 simple rules for developing a competitive business strategy. These presentations are going to be taking place in the morning. The first one's September 19th, starting at 7:30 a.m. here at the Simon Business School. You'll have a networking and breakfast from 7:30 to 8. The presentation will run from 8 to around 8:30, and then you'll have 30 minutes to ask any questions that you may have of Professor Ari. If you're interested in registering for these events, please see our event on Facebook or reach out to me directly. We hope to see you there. Thanks and have a great day.